If you wish to study medicine and promote public health, Red Cross Medical College of Rīga Stradiņš University is the place for you. Dental Assistant. What are your job responsibilities? We are like an extra pair of hands for the dentist. We must see and do everything. We have to lay the table, take care of the patient, and, of course, we need to know both tooth anatomy and all possible diseases our patient may have. At first, we learn the theory, and only then we are allowed to have practice. Massage therapist. Therapeutic massage is one of the oldest and most effective types of treatment. We apply different basic and auxiliary techniques on the body, helping people both to relax and recover. Here you can find all the opportunities for personal development, whether you are a young or a mature student. Of course, working in any field requires a talent, and therapeutic massage is no exception. In this college, you can acquire an in-depth, extensive knowledge in your professional field. We learn not only different types of massage, but also physiology and anatomy. Pharmacist Assistant. What does it take to become a qualified pharmacist assistant? In my opinion, there are three main qualities: the classic trio, accuracy, precision, and the ability to listen attentively. This is so interesting. You can zoom in on everything, see every detail. This is a new 3D anatomy program. Wow! The college offers practical placement both in Latvia and abroad, and several students take that opportunity to work in pharmacies when starting their studies. We are in the RCMC Chemistry and Dietary Supplement Laboratory. It was built for future pharmacist assistants. The laboratory is very modern. We have an interactive whiteboard. We are especially proud of this chemical storage cabinet. Our chemistry teachers work with it every day. They store here reagents, highly toxic chemicals, as well as volatile, gaseous, malodorous substances, etc. In my opinion, it is a unique profession. Both pharmacists and pharmacist assistants are healthcare professionals. They do not just sell drugs. They educate patients about rational use of medicines, warn of potential risks, side effects, interactions, etc. Physician Assistant. Where are we? Tell me about this room. This is a clinical procedure classroom where we practice a wide range of skills. With the help of these patient simulators, we can practice real-life scenarios, measure blood pressure, train in different types of injections. First-year students can find a practical placement in one of the hospitals. Placements are available both in Rīga and regionally. Applying clinical procedures is among the most important skills we need to learn. Wound suturing is one of them. In my opinion, healthcare professionals must also have good communication skills in order to build a successful conversation with patients and their relatives. We must also know how to act in emergency situations, assess the situation, and be able to understand timely what is happening. Physician assistants are healthcare professionals who can work everywhere, in hospitals, health centers, in the ambulance service. Emergency Medicine Physician Assistant. One of my favorite parts of the study process is simulation training. Working in the ambulance service means that we will face different types of patients and various situations. Some of them will be emergencies, so we must be well prepared to handle them. Working in this field requires precision and a strong sense of responsibility. One of the main challenges in emergency medicine physician assistants' work is to carry patients from any location to the ambulance and perform further actions there. So we created this ambulance simulator in order to provide our students with realistic training. When it comes to patient management, whether it is a polytrauma, a stroke, or any other condition, there are usually at least 3 members of the team working side by side in a small spot. And we must do as much as possible and take the patient to the hospital as quickly as we can. Any decision has to be taken quickly.